Start by brainstorming the different types of offerings you might have. For example, you might consider public fashion workshops, online memberships for designers, or raw materials. Write each idea as a main offering in your Miro mind map. This helps you organize and visualize your offerings clearly. Next, break down each offering into specific included items. For instance, if your offering is a public fashion workshop, think about adding details like a 2-day workshop experience, free raw material samples, or a fashion design book. These specifics provide clarity on what your customers will get and help you refine your offerings. Add more details as comments to your mind map. This is where you can provide additional information, include links, or explain certain aspects further. It ensures that your team has all the necessary details to understand and act on your offerings. Explore more about how Founderscope can assist you in mapping out your ideas effectively at Founderscope Co.